Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into the TOEFL, the test of English as a foreign language. I'll walk you through the exam pattern, syllabus, and all the key details you need to know to prepare effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the test and some actionable tips to boost your performance. So, why should you take the TOEFL? Primarily, it's for students who want to study abroad, especially if English isn't your first language. But it's not just for students. Professionals looking for jobs or entrepreneurs planning to start a business internationally can also benefit from a strong TOEFL score. The test is recognized by over 11,000 institutions in more than 150 countries, making it a global benchmark for English proficiency. Achieving a good score can open doors to universities, scholarships, and even career opportunities around the world. Let's talk about the structure of the TOEFL. The exam has 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing in that exact order. The duration can vary. Most internet-based tests take around 3.5 hours, so some newer versions are shorter, around 2 hours. Each section is scored from 0 to 30 for a total score out of 120. It's important to remember that TOEFL doesn't have a pass or fail. Your goal is to achieve the score required by your target university or program, so you can focus on reaching that benchmark. Thanks to technology, you can now take the TOEFL Home Edition from anywhere in the world. The exam is conducted by ETS, the Education Testing Service, and registration currently costs around $185. You can take the TOEFL as many times as you like, but remember, only once every 12 days. Since there's no pass or fail, your focus should be on preparing thoroughly to reach the score required by your target university or program. One great way to practice is using mock tests from platforms like Mockmaster. These simulate the real TOEFL experience and help you get familiar with timing, question types, and exam strategies. Let's dive deeper into each section of the TOEFL, starting with the reading section. This section evaluates your ability to understand and analyze academic passages. Typically, you'll read 3 to 4 passages and answer 9 to 10 questions per passage. Depending on how many passages you get, the time limit ranges from 36 to 72 minutes. The questions test your skills in factual information, inference, vocabulary, and rhetorical purpose. One important tip: make sure to answer every question because skipped answers are counted as incorrect. Next up is the listening section, which tests your ability to understand English lectures and conversations. In this part, you'll listen to 2 to 3 conversations and 3 to 4 lectures, typically lasting 41 to 57 minutes. Taking effective notes is essential because you'll rely on them to answer the questions accurately. Common question types include gist, detail, function, attitude, and organization. After completing the reading and listening sections, there's a mandatory 10-minute break. Use this time wisely, stretch your legs, hydrate, or grab a quick snack to recharge before the speaking section. Next, let's look at the speaking section. This part evaluates your spoken English skills, especially in academic settings. The section includes 4 tasks divided into independent and integrated tasks. In independent tasks, you share your personal opinion on a given topic. For integrated tasks, you'll combine reading, listening, and speaking, often summarizing or explaining ideas from a passage or lecture. You'll get 15 to 30 seconds to prepare and 45 to 60 seconds to respond for each task. Your answers are evaluated by both a computer and a human rater, so it's important to speak clearly and structure your responses well. Finally, let's talk about the writing section. This part evaluates your ability to organize and present ideas effectively. The section has integrated and independent tasks. In the integrated task, you'll summarize information from a passage and a lecture, usually within 20 minutes. For the independent task, you write an essay based on a personal experience or opinion, typically in 30 minutes. Some newer formats may also require you to respond to a short academic discussion in just 10 minutes, analyzing responses from other students before writing your answer. The key here is to structure your ideas clearly and support them with examples or references. To do well on the TOEFL, consistent practice is key. Make sure you practice reading, listening, speaking, and writing every day. Taking mock tests from platforms like Mockmaster can really help. They simulate the real exam environment, improve your timing, and highlight areas where you need to improve. For more structured guidance, programs like One Australia provide expert courses, resources, and strategies to help you prepare efficiently and achieve your target score. That wraps up the essentials of the TOEFL exam. Its structure, sections, scoring, and preparation tips. For more detailed strategies, sample questions, and access to mock tests, check out the links in the description below. You can even book a free consultation call to guide your preparation. For more structured guidance, programs like One Australia provide expert courses, resources, and strategies to help you prepare efficiently and achieve your target score. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on TOEFL, PTE, and studying abroad. And of course, comment below.